What's up, everybody? This is Mr. and Mrs. Aircrete Harry, and what we have is an unboxing of a new Canopy cover. This is a 10 by 30, the largest I've ever owned or seen, and it goes together really quick. You can see it has these Velcro straps, these Velcro pads, and you put the pads together on each of the legs while the unit is closed, and then you can easily open it up and instantly you have your cover. And you can see here, this part here in the assembly, you just push it up past the pin and it locks into place. And the legs, we're setting them at the minimum height, but they go much higher than this. So if you're like 7 feet tall, no problem. You'll have all the headroom space you need. And look at the strength. We both hung from the unit. It comes with these bags, which I've never seen any of these units come with before, and they're weight bags, so you could put sand in them or rocks or whatever for weight. Yeah, and this is the first time I've seen one of these canopies that come with the sandbag. So this is a great addition, that they actually come with a sandbag. And look at the size, it's a big bag. You fill this with sand, you'll easily have about 50 pounds of sand, 50 pounds of weight for each leg. So, and these come with this system, so that's a great addition. So we were really happy at the speed at which we were able to put this up, and taking it down was even quicker. And if you watch till the end of the video, you'll see us disassembling and putting it all away. All the pieces fit in the bag that it comes with. The bag also has wheels, so it's easy to roll around if you're, on concrete or asphalt or whatever. Yes, everything is really nice. It's pretty simple construction. 2 people could put this thing together, probably like, I guess, about 10 minutes. This was my first time putting it together. They've built the whole thing pretty strong. You can see Mrs. Aircrete can hang. No problem. Plenty of light getting in here. Well, this canopy is great for gatherings, events, parties, workshops, and will provide you and your guests and your pets with great space, shade, and cover from the rain and sun. Mrs. Aircrete and I have a pretty convenient project plan for ourselves. We may be using this as a structure, and we may be spraying it with cement to make it permanent. So come back to the channel for a future project using this canopy cover. It pops up. It's heavy duty canopy, the tent with 8 side wall, strong structure, waterproof. As I said, it's a 10 foot by 30 foot. It has these buckles, great feature for security. Velcro helps to align and continue sticking to the frame. Ropes and stakes, fast assembly and disassembly, as you can see here. Easy lock and release buttons. Dry, convenient rolling bag storage. And it's available on Amazon. Comes in different colors. Links are in the description below. Check it out. Okay, so now it's time for us to enjoy our beautiful, nice, shady setup. Peace out. We love you all, and we'll catch you later. Cheers.